Like, share, subscribe. Hello viewers! Hope you all are well. Let's know how to prime a canvas. Take the canvas. Let it open. Some benefits of priming the canvas are: priming the canvas protects it from rotting. Also, the paint will sit better on the surface and will not sink into the canvas. Let's know how to prepare it. First, wet it with water. Water prevents the paint from drying too quickly and allows for blending and layering of colors. It also helps the paint from cracking as it dries. Also, wet its backside. Now, second step is to apply gesso. It provides a protective barrier between the paint and the surface. It helps the paint to adhere to the surface you are painting on. It fills the pits, creating a smoother surface. Now, after drying, it's ready to paint on. Such a smooth and even surface. Thank you for watching.